Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKBA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very, very nice movement today. And the reason why, and in my mind at least, it was so nice was not because the price had a green day, but it was the context going into the day. And the context going in was very, very bearish. I mean, on Monday, the price essentially just dropped straight down the entire day long. And going into today, it was a big question of, was this the beginning of the end? Was this thing, was the party officially over? And no, apparently it's not, because the price not only just went up a little bit, but went up quite a bit. So you factor in the whole, fact that it went up quite a bit, but then you also, sprinkle in the context of it was really, really bad on Monday. And yeah, that just makes today's price movement that much more, interesting and, very intriguing going forward. So one of the newest areas of support to watch, and this is what I would just call the ideal area. I mean, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best, would be right up there at 590. But don't get me wrong, if 590 fails, that's still perfectly fine, but that's also one of those levels where if the price can actually manage to stay up above it, that would be a very impressive sign of strength going forward. So 590, going to be an important level, but like I said, more so important from what would make the chart look absolutely extremely strong, and that would be that area. But from the overarching point of view, if the price can stay up above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, that would be the ideal situation. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, very, very tight range, with the top of that range being right around $6.10, give or take a little bit. If the price can actually push through there, which that final 30 minutes makes it pretty interesting, because the price, like I said, nice little volume surge down here. And then with that volume surge, you didn't get a gigantic green candle by any stretch, but still got a little green candle. So if the price can break through that area, next key overarching area right up there around $6.45. So very, very impressive movement today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.